Hello, Karen Smith from Bright Spark Electrical Services. This short video is a little one about video doorbells. There's so many different variants of these doorbells, some which are easily screwed to the wall and they have a battery, but such a pain in the neck to replace the batteries, and if you forget, you don't know who's at the front door. However, at Bright Spark we recommend the hardwired varieties, where we need to run a cable from your doorbell through to a localized plug point. Hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel.